Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying essentials. Run the DBMS binary with version to confirm. Once done, launch the command prompt as administrator or use sudo on Unix so you have permission to bind sockets. Next, navigate to the project folder and prepare your credentials, database name, and host IP. Doing this now avoids interruptions later. It also ensures environment variables load correctly. If your path is missing, add the dbms bin directory, then reopen the shell and rerun the version check. You authenticate by supplying user and database parameters. Run the connect command exactly with host, DB, and user flags so the client resolves the server. Once connected, the prompt will change. Make sure to enable SSL for remote servers or explicitly use no SSL only on private networks. If you expect repeated use, create a named profile or alias to avoid typing long flags. This saves time and reduces typos. Finally, verify your role and current schema immediately so you know your permission. You execute statements from files or inline. Prefer exec file with dry run first to check effects, then run with commit when confident. Use explicit transactions. Begin, test queries, and commit to persist or rollback if results look wrong. This prevents accidental data loss. Once done, export needed results with the output flag as CSV for analysis and close the session cleanly with disconnect or exit. If something fails, check error codes and logs. A mismatched schema or permission denied is the most common root cause.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.